In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zoom audio not working, and we'll cover all the steps you need to troubleshoot this common issue efficiently. So, whether you're using the browser version or the app, let's get started without any further ado. First, let's make sure you're logged into Zoom and that you've joined a meeting. This process can be done either through the browser or the Zoom app, so go ahead and join a meeting as you normally would. Now, once you're inside the meeting, you'll notice an array of options on the bottom of your Zoom window. Move your cursor over to the microphone icon. You'll see an arrow pointing upwards right next to it. Click on this arrow, and a list will pop up displaying various audio options that Zoom can detect on your device. When you click this arrow, you should see a list of available microphones and speakers. This list shows the devices that are currently connected to your computer, whether internal or external. It's crucial to select the correct microphone and speaker from this list, because sometimes Zoom defaults to the wrong one. Ensure that you're selecting the right device that you have plugged in, or the built-in microphone and speaker if no external devices are being used. After making your selections, it's important to confirm that they are functioning properly. To do this, go ahead and click on Test Speaker and Microphone. A pop-up window will guide you through a quick test. Zoom will play a ringtone, and you should be able to hear it through your selected speaker. If you can hear the ringtone, great. Next, Zoom will ask you to speak, and you'll see the audio level move if your microphone is working correctly. If both of these tests succeed, it means that Zoom has identified your devices correctly. Now, sometimes the issue might not be with Zoom, but with your device's sound settings instead. So, take a moment to check that your device's speakers or headphones are properly connected and that they are not muted. It's not uncommon to have accidentally turned down the volume or muted the sound, so double-check these settings to rule out that possibility. If after all this, your audio is still not working, the age-old trick often comes to save the day. Try restarting Zoom and, if necessary, your computer. This might sound simple, but it resets any temporary glitches and refreshes the application's interface, often resolving any sound-related issues in the process. And that's it. By following these steps, your Zoom audio should be up and running, allowing you to communicate seamlessly during your meetings. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.